Mogul and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button wherever it may be so we don't have this problem again. And if you are not new here, you already know the drill. Drink up, drink up. It's a hot girl summer and we can't be out here thirsty, okay? Clear skin. Water brings clear skin, positive thoughts, and shmoney vibes, period. So let's get into the video. Today, my friends over at Nail Addict LA, which is a vegan gel polish nail company, sent your girls some goods, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys how I turned these into these. Be proud of the kid, okay? Because it was not easy. Shout out to all my nail techs out there and all my girls who do the nails, make the press-ons, because this was not easy. But I even also started a birthday set. You guys don't know, Cancer Gang. My birthday is July 18th. And I made a birthday set with rhinestones. Oh my God, it's gonna be so cute. For this set, I used the color Electric Rose. They sent me the base, the top coat, and 2 polishes, Electric Rose and another glass, okay? So I actually painted these on my natural nail first, just to, you know, give it a test run, see how it's gonna go. And I loved it. Like, I literally loved it. I had my natural nails out for about a week, let them breathe, and then I had to order me some supplies so your girl can get the claws back. So I spent all day yesterday making these. So you guys can shop at Nail Addict LA and get your vegan, cruelty-free gel polish. Use the discount Ashley the Mogul for 45% off. 45% off. Y'all, when I tell you, you can't beat it, okay? And I love the polish so much. I bought more. I literally went and bought like 6, what is this? 7 more. I bought a lot of colors. So we got white Addict. Then I got black Addict. Be My Baby. Temptation. Everybody needs some every now and then. Spicy Sahara. And Electric Orange. And they also have these mini LED lights. So you open them up. It opens up like this. And you plug it in. And when you plug it in, you literally turn it on and it works. And you can literally hold it over your nail or sit it on the desk and just sit your nails on the desk. Like, when I tell y'all I was so excited, I was literally just making nails. Like, I literally just went on Instagram, scrolled through the ones that I wanted to, you know, recreate, save me some, sketch me out a little design. And I said, I'm gonna make me some press-ons. So I tried my best to film a little tutorial for you guys just to show you guys how I did them. I literally just buffed the nail down, you know, step-by-step process, buff the nail, base the nail, cure the nail. My nail tech was like, you don't need me anymore. Girl, yes I do, because it's hard. It's hard. First, I started off by buffing the nail. Then I took the gel base and I started to apply a thin coat to every nail. You want to make sure that the coat is really thin so that it cures properly. And trust me, I learned this the hard way. So when you're using the LED and the UV light, you want to make sure that you put only 4 nails underneath the LED light so that they all cure properly. You also want to make sure that you're getting the tips of the nails as well as on the side of the nails so that you're covering the entire thing and there's no gaps or streaks. Then it is time to cure the nail, and with the first click is 45 seconds, the second click is 60 seconds. I personally always do 60 seconds just to make sure that it's completely cured. Now I'm going to be using Electric Orange to start the design on my pinky, and this is the camouflage nail that I'm going to be doing. So I just used a dotter and I took some of the orange gel and put it on a clear surface so that I'm able to just dot it in there and just kind of start making my little camouflage marks. This is literally all freehand, y'all. Once again, shout out to all my nail techs who do the freehand arts, because without practice, this definitely would have been a struggle. But I did practice this design a few times on my natural nail and extra nails as well so that I can make sure that it was to my liking. After I cured the orange, I came in with another glass and did the exact same thing on top of the orange, just so that I can do the 2-color camo look. And it honestly turned out way better than I thought it was gonna look. Like, this was so cute. For my pink dripping nail, I used electric rose, and I just took a dot of that and put it on the plastic again, and I used a wooden cuticle pusher so that I can start to create that dripping effect. So I started by drawing little balls in the places that I wanted the tip of the drip to be, and I just started to drag that down towards the tip of the nail because I wanted it to be like a French tip type of design. I then used the polish to fill the rest of the nail, and I did about 2 coats of that before I started to cure it for 60 seconds. After I cured the pink polish, you can see that the tip of the nail is still kind of blurry looking, and that's because we haven't put the top coat on. I'm using the no wipe top coat to go on top of the nail, and I'm covering the full entire nail, including the sides and the tip of the nail. Then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds so it has that glossy effect. For this next nail, I did a plaid white crisscross type of design. And I really only wanted to show you guys the designs that I felt were more intricate, because this one I had to keep coming in with another nail art brush and some nail polish remover or acetone and really just kind of wiping the white polish away that was in the way. And especially for me being a beginner with nail art, I really thought that showing the more intricate designs would be a lot more interesting for you guys, because I am not a professional nail tech or nail artist or artist by any means, you know, but we all have a little creativity in us. So I thought I'd just express it as such when I wanted to make a pair of press-ons. And here is the final look of the final set of all 10 nails using all Nail Addict's LA gel polishes. And if you guys would like to see how I apply my press-on nails, there is another video on my channel on a full tutorial on how to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. You know, my little tutorial. Shout out to my friends over at Nail Addicts LA for showing love, because I might be addicted, okay? I might be addicted. I even gel polish my toes, y'all. Do y'all know how much money I'm about to save from going to the nail salon and paying them $40 to gel polish my toes? Now I just go get a pedicure, get acrylic on my big toe, and I gel polish them myself when I get home. You guys can shop Nail Addicts LA and use my discount code Ashley the Mogul and save 45%. I promise you, you won't regret it. You won't regret it. Can't wait to show y'all my birthday nails either. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you guys can see all of my future endeavors and things like that. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Peace. I came into the bloody bottoms is underneath, cause I'm a got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with a whole king. Now I ain't that's a call, cause I'm all